Hey everybody, my name is Saul Colt and I am the host of the License to Print Money show powered by Spreadshop. So the goal of the show, for as long as they let me do it, is to show creative people how to make money and make a lot of money from their creative life.
People make money doing all sorts of things.
So we're going to cover everything from growing audiences, the nuances of each platform, launching a podcast, understanding, what your special purpose is.
Well, when I was a kid, my mom told me that was my special purpose, and someday I'd find out what that special purpose was.
And most importantly, selling merch. So speaking of merch, the show is sponsored by Spreadshop. I've had a Spreadshop for over a decade, and in my opinion, they are the very best online solution for selling all kinds of merch, like clothing, bags, and the list goes on and on. That's my personal testimonial. Now I'm going to read this fancy proper ad that I wrote because I write things, and I want to show you what I do. So here we go.
Well, dear, are you ready?
Are you a creative individual looking to turn your ideas into profit? Are you an entrepreneur searching for a seamless way to establish your own brand? Or perhaps you're part of an organization aiming to fundraise and promote your cause? Look no further than Spreadshop, the ultimate solution for creating and selling custom merchandise online. So picture this. It's a user-friendly platform where you can design, market, and sell your personalized merchandise with ease. Spreadshop offers an extensive range of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, hats, bags, and so much more. You see, I told you that I write stuff. I didn't say I speak stuff. With their intuitive design tool, you have the power to bring your vision to life. Simply upload your artwork, logo, and text, and let your creativity soar. Choose colors, fonts, and placements to create a one-of-a-kind design that truly represents your brand. And here's the best part. You ready for the best part? And this is my favorite part. That's why I'm saying it's the best part. Spreadshop takes care of all the heavy lifting.
That's the best part.
No need to worry about production or fulfillment. Their print-on-demand model means your products are manufactured only when an order is placed. That means no inventory management. Nothing's getting dusty or dirty. There's no headaches, with complete flexibility. And the quality, I'm wearing a shirt right now. I wear a shirt with my own face on it pretty much every day, and they all come from Spreadshop. The quality is high level, and the one I'm wearing now has been washed like a dozen times.
You don't like my shirt?
So, if you want to leave a really great impression on your customers, use Spreadshop. But that's not all. Spreadshop handles, like I said, the entire order fulfillment process, from packaging to shipping and even customer support. They've got you covered. This means you can focus on what you do best, whatever your special purpose is.
And I'm going to be rich because I'm the only person on earth who knows where you can find white mud.
That could be driving sales, promoting your brand.
I'm a creator. I am a creator.
Spreadshop provides you with powerful marketing tools as well, including customizable online shops, which I've got, product showcases, and seamless integration with social media platforms, and all of them. So whether you're a creative individual, an inspiring entrepreneur, or an organization with a cause, Spreadshop is your go-to platform. It really is time to turn your ideas into tangible products and build a successful online business. So visit Spreadshop.com today and start making your mark in the world of custom merchandise.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, let's get back to the show.
Holy mackerel, that was long. I need to trim it for episode 2. Okay, back to the show. In each episode of License to Print Money, we are going to go deep on one topic and leave you with real actionable things to help you on your journey to make more money. There's going to be guests and interviews, but the thing that I think is one of the coolest parts of this whole experiment is going to be that we're also going to be doing everything that we teach to you, and from time to time we're going to check in and let you know how it's working for us. So some of the next few episodes we're going to cover, we're going to go deep in why it's easier to sell merchandise to your super fans early than get money from ad revenue.
I think you guys are going to be glad you put me on merch.
We're going to talk about how to secure brand deals, and we're even going to expose the 7 mistakes the majority of people are currently making with their YouTube channel and really all their social platforms. So if you're looking to really make money on social media and through your creativity,
We're going to be rich, man.
please follow this channel. Episodes are going to be around 10 minutes each. They're going to be available in video and podcast form with much longer episodes when we have guests. So please, do all that stuff everybody says. Please subscribe, hit that bell. Let's make some money together. And in the meantime, please, please, please support our sponsor, Spreadshop. They're the reason that we're able to do all of this with you and for you.
Post that on YouTube.